Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to your Stripe account right from your phone. It's super easy and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and open up your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar and type in Stripe login. Once you're in the login screen, enter your email address and your password and log in. You can even do it from your laptop or your computer. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. To add a bank account, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and again tap on the settings option. Here you can see the business option at the top. Tap on it. Now you need to tap on bank accounts and currencies tab. In this section, here you can see add a bank account option. Over here, tap on it. It'll send you a verification link, so tap on send me a verification link. Now you need to check your email. On the email, you can see the option verify me, so tap on it. Now it will prompt you to enter your password and tap on continue. From here, you will need to enter your bank account details. This includes the country of your bank account, your sort code, your account number, and you need to reconfirm your account number. So fill up the details according to your bank account and tap on add bank account. And that's it. You've successfully added a bank account to your Stripe account using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.